Go over there.
Go, go!
Oh, they're coming to you.
Only one.
Art show Friday.
Oh, really? Oh, it's Friday.
Oh, you're not here?
New York?
Oh, cool. It's based on Norwegian folklore. Okay, we should see Eric explain what we're building.
Cool.
We're making a Norwegian style.
Can I see like a
Yeah,
sneak
it's
peek?
not much to see. We're only setting up for one day, but
Oh, we got persons.
oh, great.
Yeah.
He knows a bunch. I haven't slept for a week. I haven't shaved for a month. No.
Look at this beard.
I'm the artist.
Oh my god.
Ah!
And look at the blood on her hands.
Oh.
It's crazy.
Look at my messed
Oh
up
my
hands.
Oh no, oh no, everywhere. Everywhere. And all for this. For dead Norwegian puppets.
Yeah. Starts at 7 o'clock, right, Eric? Yeah.